Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always promised, sure. Today we brought for you this selfie stack and tripod 2-in-1. This brand is Baseus. You know guys, this brand, I show it many times in my reviews. I bought from this company before cooler fan and multi-USB hub and fast charge for Apple Watch and Samsung. Actually guys, they are not bad company. I mean, they are not the best and they are not the best. It's middle. I can say that, for example, if you don't want to spend too much for a tripod or selfie, and if you don't want to buy any Chinese brand that will broke after 1 month or 2 months. Cool thing guys in this one, as I said, that is selfie stack and tripod. And it has something cool and let's unbox it together. But guys, before we go anywhere further, please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like my video. Guys, here they say that silver color and they say Hatem totally design. Standing tripod. This is the cool thing that I'm gonna show you right now. It's beautiful. Here they give you this grab that you can put your stuff inside, the selfie. So, nice point from them, honestly. Here the charge one. I'm gonna show you why now, this cable. And here the user manual. Another thank you for buying. And they give you stickers for kids. And here we have the bad boy. Hey guys, as you see, it's nice design. Here's the coolest thing ever. You know what? You pull this down. Now you have remote for snapping, which is mean you can put it far away and you can snap photos from far away after you connect it by Bluetooth. And this cable for charging this remote. You're gonna charge this remote and then you can use it as a remote. This is exactly like the S Pen in Samsung Note 20 Ultra or Note 10 or S10 Plus. All of them, any Note have pencil that you can. Since Note 9, Samsung have this. But this is cool to have it for. This is cool to find it in tripod. See, guys, this one is. I'm gonna show you now. As you see, it's 1.5 meters long. Okay. Watch here the coolest thing here. See, this is the one for tripod, and you grab this like this. Oh, this is cute. See, I stay one day. I didn't understand what is this for. I said, what is this? What is the standard? See guys, it can extend. You can make it short, okay, like this, and you can make it long like this. Oh, now it's become so beautiful. See? Let me make it down. Let's get down. Let this go. Biz. Okay. See guys, like this. Let's put phone inside. Cool thing guys, that impossible your phone will fall down. You know why? It's hold it so well from here and down. 2 holders. This is from gum, you know. And extra, you have to know, this is iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I have original case, which is mean now almost 7-inch. Let's try with the remote. As you see here, as usual, you will open Bluetooth. See, it's controlling volume here. So it's you connect it normally, as you see here, and you open camera. So now I can take selfie, but if I keep long breaths, no, I thought he will move to video, for example. But let's go to video. I can start to record. Okay. See guys, if you want to record video, you should go by yourself. Stop, record, stop, record. If you want to go to photos, for example, make the photos and snap. This is cool option, for example, if you want to put it far away and you want to have group, you want to take together photo or something like that. This is going to help you to take photos together. You know guys, about the quality for this selfie stack, it's really beautiful. See, wow, see, it's huge. It's 1.5 meters. This is amazing. And to be honest with you guys, it's nice quality. It's not bad. And the standards, it looks also solidary. To be honest with you, for the price, for this Baseus, is so nice. This guys, it's, I don't know, for me, that's it. I bought it almost with $30. But it's deserved, it's beautiful. For example, now if you want to use it as selfie stack, you can just close it back, okay? Close this back, all of them. Put the cover back. And now we can use it as selfie stack. And you have the remote far away. As you see, it's taking photos. Okay, see, it's beautiful. My rating for this one, I give it 80 to 100. Because guys, there is selfie stacks cost $150. Can you imagine? And there is this one that electric with remote. Honestly, it's not work with me. You know why? Because I need two in one, like this. Sometimes I put a tripod holder to record or do, and sometimes selfie stack. If you give me only selfie stack, it's not work with me. And this beautiful thing for remote, because iPhone, this trash phone, doesn't have something optional like this. In Samsung you have pen, but at least this now you have this one, it's beautiful. At least now you have this remote, it's gonna help you if you have group or if you wanna put it far away, you wanna snap, for example. I face a lot of problems, you know what guys, when I put it far away like this and we stand all group, I don't wanna press timer or I don't wanna press and back my hand fast like what's happening. Now from remote I can snap so easy and record and everything. To be honest with you, it's so helpful option, this one. So anyway guys, I really like this selfie stack and this tripod 2-in-1. I was want to share it with you. If you are confused, you want to buy something nice but not so much expensive and not so much cheap, as I said to you, like Chinese stuff like this that's broke so fast. Like this is the nice one that you can buy it and it will live with you a nice time if you will take care of it. So anyway guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like my video, and we'll see you in another video. Objection. Peace and love and money for all of you.